For this filler game, you need to gather all the children around and either sit on the floor or have them sit on their little benches. And then you ask them to close their eyes. Close your eyes, head down, don't peek. And then you very quietly choose one of them to come front in the middle. And you need to prepare a blanket or a big scarf like this in order to cover them. You cover them with the scarf, with the blanket, completely. So you mustn't show feet or shoes or hands or anything. And then you sing this little rhyme that goes, bug in a rug, bug in a rug. Who is that bug in a rug? And the others have a guess, and they come forward one at a time, and they gently go, knock, knock. Are you Hannah? No. Are you Lucas? No, Lucas is sitting over there. Who are you? Can you show us a little paw? Or a little... Oh! I think who's under the blanket, the bug in a rug, is Mr. Bear. There he is. Hello. Hi, everyone. Well done.